my name is Vandana and welcome to this video. This is the continuity video of the previous video, which is my first video about the medicine which the doctor has given to my cat pet. It was for dogs and cats both, so any cat parents could see that. And this video is around a very interesting medicine which has these two parts. I just needed to open it and see how it works. So this medicine is cefodoximine proxetine oral suspension, and it is for cats and dogs both. Yeah, it is from the brand Cefpet dry syrup. So my cat is 3 kg 100 grams, and doctor says that give him 1 ml morning and 1 ml evening. And the reason being, I mean, you guys can check the previous video, but the reason being, he is get his neutering done recently. He's around 7 months, and I got this little scoop. I don't know why no mentions in the instruction. I got this little checked for the instruction. I mean, it has this if you could see this labels 1 ml 2 ml, so might be doctor said mix them both. And after I mean, I needed to give it for the 5 days, but the instructions I get is once you mix it, it will last long for the 6 to 7 days, and you needed to keep it for 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. That is of course the refrigerated. So once I mix it, I can use it next 6 days, but I need to give it for the 5 days. I think this is the measuring spoon for 1 ml, but definitely Caillou the cat is not going to take medicines from this spoon, so I don't know where it gone. Syringe. So definitely I have this syringe. If you're a cat parent, you know you know it that 1 ml I will give him with this syringe. So let's start mixing it. Let me open this. It says dry syrup, and this liquid is basically saline water for injection. Okay, so I have opened it. It has this seal. Let me just open it. Its instructions also said that mix some water means clean, kind of the drinkable water. Okay, you can mix that also. Okay, I shouldn't do it from my mouth, right?
One eternity later.
So yeah, it's done. Okay, it shouldn't take this much time. And this is the water. Let me just open it. I think I needed to twist it. I never opened this kind of bottle.
One eternity later.
Okay, I'm mixing this. So yeah, it was hard, but yeah, it's a commitment if you're a cat parent. And I never thought I will do things like these. Get neutering done of cat, or take care of him. He's now just my baby. I couldn't survive without him, and I'm just shaking both.
2,000 years later.
And it has this kind of milky texture. I'm not sure, I mean, how much this video is going to help, because might be different pets get different medicine, but at some extent, because the process is same, might be the age of the cat is same, the weight is around same, so might be this video is going to help. Let me just bring Caillou, and we will try to give him first dose of medicine together. Let me just bring him. Hello, say hi to everyone. No? Hello बोल दो. गुड्डू हेलो बोल दो यार. सब देख लें आपको. हेलो बोल दो थोड़ा अच्छा. एंड कायू इज़ लाइक वो समझ जाता है कि ऐसा कुछ होता है ना, तो कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो रही है. इतना हैंडसम बेटा है, दुनिया का सबसे प्यारा कैटी है क्या ये? बता दो, मैं सबसे प्यारा कैटी हूँ यार. एंड दिस इज़ द सी, हाँ कायू को पता है क्योंकि उसको वो वार्म डिवॉर्मिंग भी दी जाती है ना सीरेंज से, तो ही नोज दैट सिरेंज थिंग. और काऊ, काऊ बैठ जाओ, मम्मा के पास बैठ जाओ आराम से बैठ जाओ. थोड़ी देर को यार, थोड़ी देर को तो बैठ सकते हैं हम. लेट्स रिलैक्स योर कैट, लेट्स रिलैक्स. कहाँ भागू 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 थोड़ी ना होती है. गुड्डू रुको तो यार. देखो मम्मा कुछ लाई है आपके लिए और ट्रीट. और कायू लव्स दिस ड्रूल फिश बिस्किट्स, ड्रूल्स फिश बिस्किट्स. सो I called them a machi biscuit, okay? Machi biki. So Caillou understand what is machi biki. Tuna treats, because most of his food is around tuna and whisker also. So Caillou knows. Caillou नहीं भागू भागू की प्रैक्टिस नहीं. अच्छा सुनो तो यार, कहाँ भाग रहे हो आप? मम्मा के पास तो आओ थोड़ा सा. So I needed to give 1 ml, but I filled 1.5 because what happens, mostly they spill out some of the medicine for sure. And if you give one shot then it's fine, but if you are giving slowly then some medicine will spill here and there also, so it's always good to take some extra. He started eating his food, so let's wait for some time. No, he finished. Caillou, come. Caillou, इधर आओ गुड्डू. आ जाओ यार. 2 minutes or I will skip this. I don't know if I could give him just after the food, but हाँ मैंने तो पूछा था डॉक्टर से कि वो कह रहे कभी भी दे दो, ऐसे तो कोई बात नहीं है, बट उसका मूड ख़राब हो जाएगा बेचारे का कि अभी टेस्टी खाना खाया और इसने क्या खिला दिया. कभी तो गाली देता होगा मुझे, पता नहीं. आई मीन म्याऊ म्याऊ तो बहुत करता है, बट समझ में कुछ भी नहीं आता है. तो आई टोल्ड हिम दैट यू शुड टेल गॉड ही शुड ऐड एटलीस्ट 2 more words in your vocabulary, yes or no. So I will keep asking questions that are you hungry, so you can say yes or no. You wanted to go out, so you can say what is meow every time, because no one understand, because he just have his food, he just have water, he just slept, he just played, he just went outside and come back, but still he's meowing. So I don't understand what he wants. So yes or no questions should be in every animal's vocabulary. Sorry, not questions, the yes or no words. Caillou, come, let me bring him. माउस नहीं हो आप, छोटे माउस हो ना आप, मम्मा के माउस हो ना. माउशू कुछ नहीं. गुड्डू ऐ नहीं, कुछ नहीं ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता है. बैठ जाओ आराम से बैठो यार, एकदम सोफे की तरह बैठो. माऊ क्या होता है? रुको. This is how you give the medicine to a cat. It's more a knowledge sharing and a vlogging. माऊ क्या हो गया? रुको, ऐसे देखो. 1. अच्छा बात सुनो, मम्मा की बात सुनो. I'm not sure if I will be able to record it properly or not, but I will just try to. गुड़िया, मामा की बेबी, छोटी माऊ. 1 and give it from side, okay? Good. Okay, done. Done. लेकिन the thing is, ऐसा एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था. थोड़ा सा तो उसने बाहर निकाल दिया है, लेकिन मोस्टली वेंट, तो थोड़ा 1 ml से ज़्यादा हो गया, बट इट्स फाइन. आई मीन इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. आई विल ट्राई टू गिव हिम. अभी वो करेगा वॉमिट आई गेस, थोड़ा सा तो निकालेगा बाहर, दैट इज़ फॉर श्योर. तो आई मीन इट्स अ सक्सेस. काफ़ी दिन बाद लिया उसने सिरिंज से. आई यूज्ड टू गिव हिम अ डीवॉर्मिंग इन First of all, I used to give him in 15 days, then I did in one month, and now in every 3 months I gave him. So 3 months वाला तो अभी पहली बार ही हुआ है क्योंकि उसको आए हुए 5 मंथ हुए हैं. तो अभी आई विल गिव हिम थोड़े से देर में. बट या ही वॉमिटेड मोस्ट ऑफ द मेडिसिन. आई गेस उसे बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं लगी ऑफ कोर्स, बट ही नीड्स टू रिकवर. आई ऑल्सो फील बैड फॉर हिम. मतलब बात नहीं करेगा शाम को तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा देना, क्योंकि नाउ ही विल अंडरस्टैंड सिरिंज एंड द मेडिसिन इज़ देयर. सो now what I'm going to do is let me just close this video because I'm going to give him some water. So okay, thank you so much, bye bye, take care, and do subscribe my channel if you like the content. Thank you.